Hi, my name is Karl Conway. I'm 42 years old. I live in Sale, Manchester. A year ago I had a hair transplant with Health Chapel International. As you can see, it looks spot on. And I'm going to explain a few of the questions that people have asked me and hopefully help you out. On the day of surgery, we got picked up from the hotel, went straight to the hospital. Everything was fine, nice and clean, professional. Met up with the surgeons. We had a bit of a pre-op to explain again what was going to happen. They took some tests. They asked me some questions. I asked them some questions. Before I know it, we was going into the room. We had a bit of an injection, which was the main thing I was worried about. I'm always a bit worried about injections, but no problem at all. It's just a bit like the dentist when you go and get your mouth injected for having a filling. So once I've had that done, they had a good chat to me and give me a drink. Before I knew it, I was feeling nice and chilled, sat in the operating chair, and before I knew it, I was asleep. Fell asleep, had a few hours, which was nice. Woke up, had something to eat. About half an hour later, again, the second stage came along, and again, just chilled out. Before I knew it, it was all finished. I was a bit amazed that it was actually done, to be honest, that it was that quick, and if I was expecting pain, no pain, just cracked on, and before I know it, we were back at the hotel, relaxing. On recovery, it took about 3 days. It was a nice hotel, had everything you needed, even down to the jacuzzis and things, so if you take notice of that. They gave me some stuff to wash my hair. I can't remember the name of it, but it was a special treatment to keep it washed nice and soft. Explained how to do it and what to look out for, and to sleep in a bit of a cushion at night time with your head up. Not the most comfortable thing, but if that's the worst thing that came across, I can handle that. Asked me to stay in and relax. I had to get out and walk because I'm a bit of an energetic person, so asked them, they said it was okay, so I went into Istanbul, had a bit of a coffee, watched the world go by, and enjoyed what I just had done. Concerns about going abroad. I did, you will, everyone does. You'd be daft not to. You go in this country, you go in another country, you're going to be worried. The only thing you're going to be worried about is if you're having surgery over into another country, is it going to go well? It's your body, you want to look after it. What can you do? Believe me, I looked into it. I searched the internet. Once I found Health Travel International to guide me through it, and I was happy with it. All the information, I was on the phone every day, asking them questions. They gave me the right answers that I wanted to hear, and which was confidence with going over there. And when we did, I was so happy with it. Traveling abroad is easy. That's not a problem if you're not afraid of flying. Picking the right person to do the work is the point, and believe me, I was well looked after. You can go in this country, things can go wrong. You can go in any country, things can go wrong. But picking the right company to guide you through it and do your right job, the proof is in the pudding. Why did I have a hair transplant? Because I didn't want to be bald. It was something that I looked in the mirror and it annoyed me. When it annoyed me even more, because I'd think about it, and you just can't do anything with your hair. So you either shave it all the way down, or you're going to comb it over and have a bit of a shredded weave. To me, no. I wanted a hair transplant. I wanted my hair back, and as you can see, it's there. It's amazing. I never thought that you could actually do anything like this until you speak to people and you're looking at the operations and everything else. It's just given me my confidence back. I used to be a dancer. I've not done it for a couple of years, probably since I started losing my hair maybe. Used to have so much confidence going out there and dancing, and then I started going bald. It just slowed me down. I wasn't happy fully with yourself, and if you're not happy with yourself, you're not going to go out and do what you need to do. When I got my hair back, it just puts a smile on my face. I've had people I've sent and it's put smiles on their faces, and I can honestly say I've got my mojo back. Am I happy with the outcome? Yep. What can I say? everything's gone well. I watched it for the last year do what it needs to do. I've had about 15 haircuts. I was going to grow it long, but my missus stopped me, so I've had this nice and styled. I watched it from the next day of having the operation, which I was happy with because I had short hair anyway, but it was all there and it was all shaded and you can see what was happening, to seeing over the next couple of months the outline that they'd drawn on my head get thicker and thicker and more hairs coming each day was just a smile on my face. And then it got to about 4 or 5 months and I've gone into the hairdressers and I've gone, I'm buzzing with this is absolutely brilliant. And I was halfway through. now I feel it's kind of like too much. That I have to get my hair combed each day when I never used to do, but now I can style it, I can do what I want with it. I'm absolutely buzzing. Big thank you to Health Travel International for giving me my confidence and my hair back. Would I recommend HCI? Absolutely, definitely. I've had people that I've sent already, which are relatives and friends, they've gone over, had it done. They're over the moon. It's the first time I've seen half of them smile for a long time, so they're happy. I'm happy. I've had great customer service ever since, from thinking of having it done to the day of the operation to 12 months after. They've been there, they've answered any questions, they've been checking on me. So if you're going to have it done, by all means, if you want your mojo back, you want your confidence back, go to HCI, speak to them, have a consultation, let them explain it. They'll take the time. They are there for you like they were for me. Thank you very much. I'm going to give you a quick demo of what my hair looks like wet. Now, just recently I've had it just blown to the side with a bit of the old grease on top of it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wet it and give you a bit of a brush, see what you think. Oh. There you go. Just get the comb, there we go. Okay, so now it's hard to believe that I'm actually doing this, because for the last 4 years I've not used a hairdryer, a brush or anything on my head, so I'm actually quite pleased with that. But I can style it whichever way I want to do. Can even have a moink, which really annoys the missus. And as you can see the back, hopefully you can see that. So what I tend to do, or should have said the hairdressers, tend to curl over to one side, step it over. I'll give it a bit of a rub. You won't hear me for a minute. About 4 years since I've picked this up. Well, not the last couple of months anyway. I don't know what that looks like, but hey, there you go. So you can do what you want with it. Enjoy your haircut.